What is orange tubular yard fungus? The trees and plants in many yards often develop an orange tubular fungus. This fungus is caused by rust disease and commonly affects junipers and crabapples. Although this disease is unsightly, it does not usually cause permanent damage to plants or trees. Identification. Rust diseases are caused by the fungus Gymnosporangium, which requires the juniper tree to complete its life cycle. Rust fungi typically develop on plants as orange spore masses. During the hot summer months, certain plants infected with rust fungi develop orange, tubular spore growths. Symptoms. While rust fungi do not cause permanent damage to host trees, there are some symptoms associated with this disease. Lesions on tree branches, twigs or fruit often develop as a result of rust disease, as well as disfigurement of the affected tree and orange tubular spore growths. Early leaf drop and stunting may also occur. Control. Fungicides are recommended for the control of rust fungi in the landscape. Applications of fungicides are most effective if continued until symptoms subside. Contact your local extension office for advice on rust fungi control in your yard.